have some margaritas. Right? Are you excited?
I am.
So the whole idea that we had for this was like we take shots and then try the food. But at some point realized we just might pass out like mid-taste test. So oh my god, it's here!
Pink.
Okay, we have our what is this?
It's pink. Who
Pink
cares?
margaritas. Oh, everything looks good. I want a flat plate. Cheers. This is good.
It's so good.
It tastes like a margarita. But it also tastes like lychee.
It tastes like heaven. How many of these are we having?
How many do you want? This is truffle something. Right?
Corn.
Truffle corn. Oh my god, that's super good.
You can have.
Now we have the Wagyu taco. Right? Truffle corn. Chicharon bulaklak. We're not even drunk yet. Okay. We're making it. The Wagyu is the best. Wait.
Wagyu is my favorite. Keep up. Wasabi?
Yeah, I think so. I think there's a little bit of wasabi in there.
So good.
I'm gonna eat this forever.
I don't even eat pork and this is good. Keep up. Keep up.
Girl, we should do this more. Day drinking's fun. Doing it for the vlog. So, you know, I had an excuse to drink in the afternoon.
And I had to support my friend.
Oh my
God.
god. Burrito.
Oh my god.
We're
I
like
don't
freaking
eat
out
squid.
now. What? You don't? Do you still want?
We should try this.
What is that?
Oh, it has black rice in it. That's special. Not everyone serves black rice. Smells good.
There's something crunchy. I love the texture.
Hi.
Let's name this segment and they drink all the time.
Let's name it Day Drinkers.
Yeah.
God. What is this? It's really hot in here. Wait, another one.
Another one. Now it's frozen.
No, it's frosty.
We're gonna get drunk, are we?
No doubt. No doubt.
From now on, you'll be my vlogging partner.
I'm so honored.
What's
Oh
this?
my god, more food.
Huh?
What's that egg? Why is it so small?
Quail egg. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It looks so fancy.
Farrah, why is it like a small
I
egg?
know. That's what I was asking you.
It's a quail egg.
You have
It's a
to
French quail
video
egg.
it.
Oh, wait. Okay. Wait. Dynamite!
Oh my god, that's my favorite!
Pretty sure she's freaking out over this. Girl, I want.
You make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
Are you trying to be sober? Nice. How is it?
Definitely a must try.
Dude, we've said that about everything. Oh my god.
Wait, there are some cheese dynamites that the pepper is too cooked, that it's not spicy anymore. This is perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.
Makes me sweat. My boobs.
How many shots does this lychee thing have? The best vlog day ever.
It's so special.